So here is the comparison between LibreOffice versus Microsoft Office. So first up, we have LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free, open-source office suite that includes tools like Writer, Calc, and Impress, basically alternatives to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It's lightweight, works offline, and supports Microsoft file formats. Since it's open source, there are no subscriptions, no accounts, just download and start working. It's a great option if you're looking for a solid set of tools without paying a dime, especially for personal or basic professional use. On the other hand, we have Microsoft Office, now branded as Microsoft 365, which is the more polished, feature-rich option. It includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more, with advanced tools for collaboration, cloud syncing, and integrations across devices. However, it comes with a recurring cost, and most features require an internet connection and a Microsoft account. In short, LibreOffice is best for those who want a free, privacy-friendly alternative, while Microsoft Office is ideal if you need advanced features and seamless cloud-based workflow. And that is the comparison between LibreOffice and Microsoft Office.